In front of me is Blackview Tab 6, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, click on Theme section and scroll down to see all available themes. You can even click on this little icon at the bottom right corners to see even more. When you are finished, click on the best theme for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And to save your keyboard, hit Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of it has changed. If you want to customize it instead, go into exactly the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under My Themes at the top. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then hit Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. If you want to edit your custom keyboard right away, tap on it. Click on this pen at the top right corner and make your changes. Then remember to select Apply one more time. So finally, when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!